In this quick explainer, we're diving into how to set up SuiteDash to handle your client communication effectively. Whether you're a small business owner or managing client accounts, SuiteDash can centralize your communication, keeping everything organized. Stick around until the end because, while SuiteDash has some great features, I'll also share a better alternative for your client communication goals, plus a special offer that you won't find anywhere else. First things first, let's talk about client portals. Setting up a client portal in SuiteDash is a breeze and one of its standout features. The portal gives your clients easy access to their projects, documents, and communication history. To get started, simply navigate to the Client Portal section and you can customize the look and feel, making it match your branding. You can add specific sections like tasks, files, and messages, giving your clients an all-in-one dashboard. This setup lets your clients view everything they need in one place, making communication seamless. Next thing, let's move on to task management. SuiteDash allows you to assign tasks to clients or team members, set deadlines, and track progress. This is crucial for streamlining communication because it removes the back and forth emails about what's due or what needs attention. You can use color-coded statuses, and this transparency ensures everyone stays on the same page. Clients can also leave comments directly within the task, reducing the need for emails and messages. The third thing is messaging. SuiteDash provides internal messaging for communication between you and your clients. It's like a built-in chat system that keeps all correspondence organized and tied to the relevant projects or tasks. No more searching through long email threads to find that one important message. You can even set up automated notifications so that you're always in the loop and your clients won't miss important updates. Next up, let's look at automation. One of the most powerful features in SuiteDash is its automation capabilities. You can create workflows that automatically trigger actions like sending messages or moving tasks to different stages when certain criteria are met. This can save a ton of time and reduce the potential for human error in your communication process. You can also set up client onboarding sequences or reminder emails, so you're not manually sending out updates or following up. The fifth thing I want to mention is document sharing. SuiteDash makes document management and sharing incredibly simple. You can upload, organize, and share files securely within your portal. Clients can view or download them as needed, and you can even set permissions to control who can access specific files. This is key for ensuring your communication is clear and that important documents are always accessible. Now, let's talk about client forms. SuiteDash allows you to create custom forms that your clients can fill out directly from the portal. This can be anything from questionnaires to contracts. The forms can be integrated directly into your workflow, allowing you to collect information without needing to jump between different tools. But here's where things get interesting. While SuiteDash has its strengths, it's not perfect for everyone. If you're looking for something that specifically excels at client communication with even more streamlined automation and integration, you might want to check out a competitor. I'll get to that in a second, but first, let's review everything we've gone over. We've talked about setting up your client portal, how to manage tasks, using internal messaging, leveraging automation, handling document sharing, and creating client forms. All of these features will help you centralize your communication with clients. So here's the deal. SuiteDash offers some powerful features, but it's not the end-all be-all. After testing it, I recommend a better alternative for your client communication goals. It offers even more integrations, better automation, and easier to use interfaces that might be a better fit for your business needs. The good news is I've got an exclusive, extended free trial available for you through our link. Plus, I've also got some amazing alternatives, each with its own free trial, to explore. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So be sure to check that out and let me know what you think about SuiteDash versus the alternatives. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.